財博 Form 5 More About Equation MC Quiz 嘅第13題。During promotion, the price of hamburger is lowered by 2, and 5 more hamburgers can be bought with120蚊。Let x be the original price of a hamburger. Which of the following equation give value of x？ 好啊，咁 x 係 original price 啦，咁新 price 係 lowered by 2啊嘛，咁即係 x 減2係 new price 啦。好啊，咁佢就話咧，當我嘅價錢下降咗之後咧，我哋用120蚊咧可以買多5個漢堡包。咁其實即係首先我一開始120除 x 係 original number of hamburger brought 啦。咁而家新我係買幾多個？可以買到110除 x 減2個 new number of hamburger brought 啦。咁佢之間 difference 嘅 difference 係5，咁佢所以其實即係講緊話120 over x 減2減120 over x 其實等於5。咁點解係將呢個減呢個咧？因為其實我哋知道價錢下降咗，你正常嚟講一定係可以買得多啲嘅嘛。同埋頭先都有講，當佢價錢下降咗2蚊之後，佢可以買多咗5個，咁所以係120 over x 減2減120 over x 就等於5。咁你成個答案咧就會係 D for 多。